Alright, we're at this resort here, and we've got a Mowrey elevator, looks like. Hey! Cool. Oh, what? What is that lantern? Just a little chime. It tried. Wait, let's see that again. Hold on. Maybe it'll only do it as far as the doors are opening. Weird. So it cuts off as soon as the doors close. Weird. All the buttons are burnt out. Did it again. Call it 5-2. It's got the uncommon all white GAL buttons. Mowrey. Sugar Sands. See the motor room. Neat. Here's the muffler. And must be a Mowrey controller. I'm not sure. Anyway, that will be it. Actually, we'll call it down and then that will be it. That will be it.